Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about how all the Argo projects come together to create a CI/CD flow that can serve both the application developers and the SRE people for infrastructure. I've been making all these videos about different parts of this. So I thought I should do one that brings them all together so you know which one fits where. So first we have the event source. There are many, there are like 22 right now at the time of this video that you can use as a source. It could be a AWS SQS message or Azure events or GCP PubSub message or some kind of events in the GitHub or GitLab like commit or a merge that happened. Any of these things, it's Slack message, even webhooks, all of these things can be your event source. Once you define the source, then you define an event bus where all the messages that are published into the event bus. Uh, then you have to have a sensor that looks for a particular kind of event that triggers some kind of flow workflow, which is a separate project by altogether in Argo, or a rollout. A rollout is kind of like continuous deployment where you can have blue green or you can have canary deployments. Workflow is basically like a Jenkins on drugs. You can have all kinds of dependencies and steps and whatnot that does something, in conjunction with other things. And all of these things eventually will end up uh, making, deleting, or modifying some kind of resource on on a Kubernetes cluster or multiple clusters for that matter, right? So that's the whole idea of all the Argo projects. You have event source that publishes something, and then a sensor picks it up, triggers a workflow or rollout, and that eventually translates into a resource creation, deletion, or modification on a Kubernetes cluster. That's how they all come together. So when I'm doing my videos going forward, I will refer to this chart so that you know where that particular task falls in the bigger scheme of things. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you in the next GitOps video.